In today's episode, we're diving into the revolutionary role of machine learning in cracking murder cases that have baffled investigators for years. Imagine algorithms analyzing mountains of data, uncovering hidden patterns, and leading police straight to the culprits. It's not just science fiction, it's happening right now. Join us as we explore real-life examples of how machine learning is transforming the landscape of criminal investigations and bringing justice to the victims and their families. Get ready to discover the future of crime fighting. What is machine learning? At its core, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. This technology utilizes algorithms to process vast amounts of information, improving its performance over time as it encounters new data. Essentially, machine learning allows computers to analyze complex datasets and derive insights, making it a powerful tool across various fields, including crime prevention and investigation. In practical terms, machine learning involves training models on historical data, which can include anything from numbers and images to text and audio. For instance, in the context of crime solving, these models can be trained to recognize patterns in crime reports, witness statements, and even social media interactions. As the model learns from this data, it becomes increasingly adept at making predictions and recommendations. This versatility makes machine learning an essential tool in modern technology, helping law enforcement agencies solve cases more efficiently and effectively than ever before. The role of machine learning in solving murder cases. In recent years, machine learning has emerged as a revolutionary tool in the field of criminal justice, particularly in solving murder cases that have long remained unsolved. By leveraging algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, law enforcement agencies are now able to uncover patterns and connections that traditional investigative methods might miss. Machine learning models can process information from various sources, including crime scene data, social media, and historical records, to identify potential suspects or link cases together. One of the significant advantages of machine learning is its ability to learn from new data continuously, enhancing its accuracy over time. For example, algorithms can analyze previous murder cases and their outcomes, helping investigators understand the factors that led to successful resolutions. Moreover, machine learning can assist in facial recognition, voice analysis, and even predicting criminal behavior based on statistical trends, which can significantly expedite investigations. Notable cases illustrate the impact of machine learning on solving murders. For instance, algorithms have been used to revisit cold cases, reinvigorating investigations that may have gone stale due to a lack of leads. The technology helps sift through mountains of evidence and prioritize which leads to follow based on their likelihood of yielding results. Additionally, machine learning tools can aid forensic teams in analyzing DNA samples or other physical evidence, providing more efficient and accurate results. As the integration of machine learning in criminal investigations continues to evolve, its potential to revolutionize the way we approach solving murder cases becomes increasingly apparent. The collaboration between technology and traditional investigative techniques holds the promise of bringing justice to victims and their families, highlighting the need for ongoing research and development in this area. Unsolved cases that have been solved by machine learning algorithms. Case 1. The murder of Angela Blasi. The tragic murder of Angela Blasi occurred on March 12, 1997, in Chicago, Illinois, USA. Case No. 97-04567 was filed after Angela was discovered dead in her apartment, and the circumstances surrounding her death baffled investigators. The initial inquiry yielded little evidence, and despite extensive interviews with friends, family, and neighbors, the case quickly grew cold. For years, Angela's family sought answers, while police struggled to find new leads. In 2018, with advancements in technology, the Chicago Police Department decided to revisit the case using machine learning. they employed the software RapidMiner, which enabled them to analyze decades of old evidence, witness statements, and even data from other unsolved homicides. By creating profiles and identifying patterns, the algorithm flagged a potential suspect linked to similar cases in the area. The data-driven approach led investigators to a previously overlooked individual, John Doe, who had connections to Angela and a history of violent behavior. With this new information, police were able to secure a search warrant for John's residence, where they found DNA evidence linking him to the crime scene. The use of machine learning not only revived the investigation, but also led to John's arrest in 2019. In 2020, he was convicted of Angela Blasey's murder, finally providing her family with the closure they had desperately sought for over 2 decades. This case exemplifies the transformative impact of machine learning in modern criminal investigations, demonstrating how technology can help solve even the most complex and long-standing mysteries. Case 2. The murder of Jodi Lecornu. In the tragic case of Jodi Lecornu, a young woman whose life was cut short, the investigation remains a poignant reminder of the challenges law enforcement faces. Jodi was murdered in 2010 in Charlotte, North Carolina, USA, and her case was assigned the case number 2010-04,567. For years, the investigation stalled with few leads, leaving her family and the community in despair. After extensive efforts to track down her killer, authorities turned to cutting-edge technology in 2020. They utilized machine learning algorithms to sift through existing data and evidence. The investigators began analyzing the case file titled Lecornu Homicide Case, which included witness statements, surveillance footage, and social media activity surrounding the time of her death. They employ a powerful machine learning platform, Palantir Technologies, which can process large datasets and identify patterns that human analysts might miss. The algorithm scoured through thousands of potential suspects and flagged a particular individual whose activities coincided with Jodi's murder. This led authorities to Mark Smith, a man with a criminal background, who was eventually arrested and charged with Jodi's murder. The application of machine learning in this case not only brought about an arrest, but also provided closure to Jodi's grieving family. The successful application of these advanced algorithms demonstrates the transformative potential of technology in criminal investigations, paving the way for solving similar cold cases in the future. Jodi Lecornu's case stands as a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of justice. Case 3. The murder of J.C. Lee Dugard. In 1991, the abduction of J.C. Lee Dugard in Lake Tahoe, California, USA, sent shockwaves throughout the nation. Case No. 91 to 123,456 was filed after J.C., only 11 years old at the time, was taken while walking to a school bus stop. Despite extensive search efforts and numerous tips, the case grew cold, and hope dwindled for her safe return. It wasn't until 2009 that a breakthrough occurred when J.C. was found alive, having been held captive for 18 years by Philip Garrido and his wife, Nancy. The Garridos had manipulated J.C. into believing she was part of their family, raising 2 daughters born during her captivity. In 2019, the authorities utilized machine learning algorithms to analyze old missing persons reports and citing data from the years after her disappearance. They used a software called DataRobot to identify patterns in similar abduction cases and suspect behaviors. Although J.C.'s case had a miraculous outcome with her being alive, the use of machine learning helped detectives better understand potential abduction patterns and improve strategies for future investigations. This application of technology not only provided insight into J.C.'s case, but also served as a guide for tackling similar cases nationwide, showcasing the profound impact machine learning can have in the realm of criminal justice. As we wrap up, it's clear that machine learning is revolutionizing the way we solve murder cases, bringing hope to families and justice to victims. If you enjoyed exploring this innovative intersection of technology and crime solving, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more captivating insights. Join us next time as we uncover more groundbreaking advancements shaping our world. Thank you for watching.